Hi, I'm Erin. Now, today is a special day. Today is my 17th birthday. Great. I didn't think I was going to get anything for gifts and stuff, but a couple minutes ago, my family gave me some presents. So, I got definitely maybe from my brother. He's a sweetheart. I got a couple things from my sister. A couple of things were these bracelets. Well, these bracelets right here. She actually got them for Christmas or something, and she just wanted to be nice and give me some. So she gave me some of them. And these mani pedi sets. I love France and French stuff, so I got body lotion, French kiss scented, pretty cool. It was nail polish. It's an interesting color, but I'll still wear it because I think that's it. So that was my birthday, and I also went to my youth group. They called me up to the front of the room, and they sang happy birthday to me. Last year, it was saying I didn't know anyone very well, and they sang happy birthday to me, and when it came to happy birthday dear, they were just like, they wanted to point at me because it's my birthday, I guess, I don't know. And one of the guys almost put, that's where their finger was. I was like, please don't pick my nose. But it was pretty fun. And there's another girl whose birthday was that day too. So I just wanted to start my YouTube channel on my birthday. So here we go.